Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Not sure why Indian Defence Forces keeps jumping from one decision to another without expediting one requirement and closing them. To give an example, Indian Air Force keeps saying they need 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, in which they mention that Rafale would be the front runner. Suddenly they go back to the decision of maintaining indigenous fighters and start speaking about the upcoming Tejas Mark II and AMCA fighter jets. In between, they also think of procuring additional 12 Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and 21 MiG-29 fighters from Russia. According to me, they should stick to one decision or one particular deal and keep chasing it until closure. Now, the latest news which has come out from the Indian Air Force side is about their interest in procuring more Chinook CH-47 helicopters from the United States. Indian Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chowdhury, speaking to Vayu Aerospace, has confirmed that Indian Air Force is looking to procure more CH-47 Chinook helicopters, for which it has started the process to get it cleared from the Cabinet Committee on Security later this particular year. Already, there are few pending orders with Boeing for 6 Apache AH-64 choppers for the Indian Army's Aviation Corps, and with this additional orders of Chinook CH-47 helicopters, the order book of Boeing will get a major boost. Procuring more CH-47 helicopters from Boeing is a good decision, and I completely agree with it. These choppers helped a lot during operations in Ladakh and Siachen Glacier to assist the Indian forces deployed at the line of actual control. So let's expect Indian Air Force to get these CH-47 Chinook helicopters clearance at the earliest, and they place the order with Boeing of the United States. I'll be uploading another video once I get more updates on the confirmed number of these choppers. As of now, it is said that they might be going for 6 CH-47 helicopters, but nothing is confirmed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.